Some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
And everything covered here is a minimum requirement for your design verification or any kind of verification, but for this video is specially for design verification. First step towards your design verification field is to cover your digital electronics. In that you have to cover number system and Boolean algebra, which is the basic requirement, and it is an interview question, and logic gates and combination circuits, because all your hardware is created from this only. Then sequencer circuits, timing and delays like setup time, hold time, contamination delay, and all type of delay you should know. Memory basics like SRAM, DRAM, and all type of memory you should know. Basic is only needed. Bus and data transfer concepts, like for example if you are using APP protocol, then how the packet is transferred and all that stuff. Now next step is your clock domain crossing. For example, if there is a circuit which is running on 10 megahertz and another circuit which is running on 20 megahertz, so how do you make that circuit transfer from this memory to another memory, or first circuit to another circuit? For example, we use FIFO in that. So these are the basics which is covered in your BTech if you are from electronic communication or etc. So this is basic, and the basic and fundamental should be clear, and all the related interview questions in digital electronics you should cover. Now our second step towards design verification is to have knowledge of hardware description language, and to learn that first you have to cover Verilog concepts in detail. And Verilog is a C language for our hardware world or VLSI world. So whatever you have learned in your digital electronics, you can create circuits of that. For example, 4-bit adder, counters, and you can write FSM codes, and you have to cover all the basics of Verilog. And Verilog you should learn, like every line should be answered if the interviewer asks that why you have used this statement there. For example, if you are using blocking non-blocking statement, then you should know how to answer that question. And like first step, you should also cover here your interview questions, because we are preparing to enter in the field, and first step is to enter any field is interview. So all the interview questions in every step you should cover. Now third step is our SystemVerilog. Digital electronics and Verilog are the basics for VLSI to enter in digital domain of VLSI. And you can only design now a circuit, but to verification, as the name suggests, design verification. So do the verification part, you need to know about SystemVerilog. And in SystemVerilog, rest of the concepts are Verilog. The added concepts are OOPS concepts, assertions, randomizations, and creating classes. So you should know how to create a test bench, because all over the industry we are doing verification through our test bench. In previous video I have explained the architecture of test bench. You can watch that video. And also you have to know every interview questions related to SystemVerilog, like inheritance, polymorphism. You should clear about that concept. And here also we have to cover all the interview questions. Now our next step is UVM, because SystemVerilog is old language for nowadays of design verification career. You should know UVM as it is a methodology. You should know SystemVerilog, then you can easily cover up your UVM concepts. These concepts are mostly used for creating a test bench. It makes our test bench easier to reusable, scalable, and easy to maintain that test bench. Nowadays our chips are complex, so we need UVM as a language to synchronize in between our whole test bench. So this is a language based on SystemVerilog, and you can easily cover that part. Here also you have to do your interview questions, but UVM has less interview questions, so it will be easy step for you. So up till now our whole VLSI design verification steps are covered, but as an engineer you should also know the basic how to use your scripting language. So our next step is to able to write a script, for example to automate any test bench, and to run in your Linux every script that it will make your work easier. So because design verification is very time consuming task, so you should know how to automate that thing. And the basic of Python or any Perl or any script language is enough for your design verification career. So you can start with basics of it. The interview questions are not needed in that part. You should only know how the scripting works. And as the last part, I would like to say that Linux commands everyone know. So I just included that because it is also in the part of a design verification resume. So you should know any Linux basic commands, and you should know how to navigate between the environment. I would like to say in conclusion that only 6 months are needed to cover this whole part, and you will become a very good design verification engineer. And for 1 or 2 years it may be difficult for you to get a job and to stay in that job, but after 2 years you will be having a lot of money and you will be enjoying the part. It is a very fun field, so I hope you will cover that in 6 months.